Society has changed significantly over the last 20 years, and with that there has been a lot of changes to customer needs with regards to the mortgage market. There are more customers today that are self-employed than they ever have been, about 15% of the workforce. There's a lot of people who now work on short-term contracts and have been doing that for long periods of time, have good track record doing it, but that again doesn't quite fit the more traditional high street model. The demographic of the customer has changed, and the mortgage market needs to change with it. Kensington Mortgages is a specialist mortgage lender where we try and find mortgages for customers who don't fit the traditional high street model. Through the 20 years of data lending, we have over 500,000 customers that have walked through the door. We have over 20 years of data, from 20 years of lending to people in the UK, covering all different geographies, all different job types, all different sectors. What Kensington brings is a unique approach where we will really get to know the customer. Everyone will say, I have a model. However, Kensington doesn't just have a model that is kind of used in some side room somewhere. The models that we develop are actually embedded within our operations. It's not just having really good people, and it's not just having really good data, and it's not just having really good models. You need all three, and they need to work together. Vector is a loan forecasting model. You give it a particular loan, you put in what you think will happen in the macroeconomic environment. So what's your view on house prices, what's your view on unemployment, what's your view on interest rates. With that view, it will take that loan or however many loans you want to put in, and it will give you a forecast for what it expects to happen to that loan over the next 30 years. We use these tools for anything from our financial forecasting, budgeting, headcount, asset liability management, pricing of our products, but also for how to optimize our sales strategies and how to get our message out there. So for us, the way we use our data and analytics is not just, again, something that we would do on the side. It is actually something that's embedded within our business. What Vector does is it takes data, objective data, that has come from over 20 years of lending, and it gives a very fully supported view of the expected risk profile or expected behavior that you can expect from a given loan at a given time. Society changes, and the tools and models that you use in businesses need to change. And this is an area that we do very well relative to our peers. Our models are not something that we create once and literally just run them again and again and again. They are things that we continuously are investing in, expanding its robustness and transforming them to the changing needs and changing dynamics that you find in society today.